hi there.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you? Our headphone amp was unplugged. At the last second we plugged it in, we didn't realize the volume was up to Mach 11.
Well, it was nice, actually.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, it made me
Bleeding from our eyeballs. Okay, we'll get it together here. Peter Howarth from AEQ is standing next to me. Wow. And you've brought some beautiful products with you, but first I have to ask you, I noticed when we were chatting, you have a different accent than us. Where are you from?
I probably do have a different accent, actually. Yeah, the funny thing is I'm actually British, but I was born in Sweden by a British parents.
Ah.
And then I emigrated about 31 years ago, and I live in Madrid, in Spain.
Oh,
So
that sounds dreamy.
Yeah.
So I'll say in Swedish, the only, like, ade?
Yeah. That would be Norwegian,
I
wouldn't it?
know, that's about as, well, I know that's a bad thing. So how do you, in Swedish, how do you say hello?
Hey,
That's it?
hey, vad trevligt att träffas.
Just like a cowboy.
Exactly.
Hey.
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 Hey, buddy.
And your company has been around for a while too.
Oh, yes. The company's been around since, it must be, 81.
And how long have you been doing this?
And I've been with the company since 93. I'm on my second stint because I took some years off from the company. I went to...
Okay. We see these acronyms all the time, but what does AEQ stand for? It's a long name, isn't it?
It is. Do you want me to say it in Spanish? Because that's probably the only way
Please,
to
it'll
say
sound
it,
much
right?
cooler in Spanish,
So
I'm
it
sure.
would be Aplicaciones Electrónicas Quasar.
Now that's cool.
What? Quasar exists in English as well.
Yeah.
Quasar, right?
Yeah. Excellent.
And electronic applications. So, there you go.
Okay. I like it. Now you have something in front of you
Yes.
that you've brought with us. What is the name of this product, and what are you showing here at NAB?
Okay. This product I brought along because BSW actually you have the exclusivity of this product. And it's actually a new product as well. This is the Systel IP or Systel IP16. It is a talk show system on SIP or VoIP systems. So this product is basically substituting anything that you need in your studios to put a phone call on air. There are many other, or not many other, there are a few other equipment manufacturers doing this kind of equipment as well.
Yeah. So what sets you apart?
Sorry?
What sets you apart with your system from the other manufacturers?
Well, I say that what sets this apart is that what you see here is really what you need. You don't need anything else. We don't need to add a particular audio engine or a core or additional input or output devices or anything. We have everything in this box, and this box handles it everything. And to that box, we can add the System Set Plus, which is the other piece of equipment that I'm bringing here, which is, in essence, it's a phone terminal.
It's a beautiful interface on the
It's
front.
It's a nice interface, and we don't need a computer to run it there either. We only need a computer to set it up. So that's probably what sets us apart.
Good answer.
Yeah. And it's kind of cool because it allows us to share this as a resource between several different studios. So we can have up to 16, 20 studios handling this.
So the people at BSW will be able to configure you properly for whatever use you're...
Exactly.
Whatever you're into, man.
There you go.
Now what else are you showing at NAB?
Well, we do a lot of communication equipment. I mean, we're probably best known for communications, and we also do mixing consoles, of course, but we do a lot of communications equipment, and to us, the essence is to integrate this and to be able to show complete system solutions and provide system solutions, either with all our equipment or interfacing with third-party equipment as well, because we know we're not alone in the world.
How do you make sure that in this case, a broadcaster is able to get up and run on this immediately? I mean, one day they're going to walk in after their weekend, they're on Friday, Monday this system shows up.
Yeah.
Are they going to be able to figure it out? Is there a training? Is
Yeah.
it a process to learn?
There's a bit of a package to this because as with anything in the IT world nowadays, because it's not only a piece of audio equipment, it's now an IT piece of equipment. You need a bit of basic training, but we provide through BSW. We provide with a little question and a list of prerequisites that you need to comply with in order to be able to install it. And then, of course, there is the simple remote assistance to get the system up and running. But I can assure you, it's going to be pretty much a kid's play to get it up and running.
Yeah, I mean, just in looking at the interface right before you powered things up, looks great. And I think even I could figure it out. That's why I asked you the question.
Yeah, there are. I mean, we have implemented features like, I don't know what mode it is right now because I'm standing behind it, but if I turn it around a bit,
there we go.
There's a menu. If I go into it's in what we call USA mode, but it just changes the labels.
It's great.
And I can shift around and say, how many lines do I want to have on screen? If I want to have them vertical or horizontal, there are a myriad of features that you can control directly from the hands.
Well, AEQ has been making rock solid stuff for a long time, and this is no exception.
No, absolutely not. Unfortunately for us, when we build equipment, they're built to last.
Yeah.
And I would like that they sort of were outraged.
You need more planned obsolescence at AEQ, Mike.
Like, I think 15 years is enough, right? Don't you think? No, seriously. We actually built the first, our first talk show system was a multi-hybrid system based on 12 digital telephone hybrids back in '92.
Wow.
This is an anecdote, okay?
Yeah.
We have a user in Europe still using it. And he's literally holding it together with duct tape.
Yeah.
And I say every time to the guys, they really proudly showed me this stuff. And I say to them, yeah, but please don't show this to me. Go and buy something new, please.
Come on, man, step up.
Exactly.
It's a new world. Oh, yeah. Peter Howarth, Manager and Business Coordinator for AEQ US. Really nice to meet you, and nice to see this in person. And what's your booth number?
Sorry, C3651.
Okay.
And we have loads of goodies to show them.
Okay, great. And of course, you can see all your products at bswusa.com, and give them a call right now if you want it, 800-426-8434. Peter Howarth, Manager, Business Coordinator for AEQ US. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for showing us this great product. We'll be back in about 30 minutes with more cool stuff from NAB 2019. I'm Mike West for BSWTV. Back in a moment.